So would y'all be mad at me if I put this off another week? I know, I'm gonna put off the Cinderella dress another week, but I just wasn't ready to show you anything yet. So instead, we are going to talk about a fashion trend that has been popping up recently. Labubu. Labubus are an exclusive collectible item from PopMart that have been making their way online, and they have been making bank. And they are very expensive. Like, this was the most expensive one I found. And people are obsessed with these, and they use them as purse charms. They make little costumes for them, which I think are cute. And they obviously go out of stock a lot. Like, this is the PopMart website, and they go out of stock all the time. Like, you have to be, like, ready to get something from them or go in the store in person, which there are no PopMarts around where I live. But like Beanie Babies before it, it is a trend that most people are jumping on and have been making fakes for because they are so hard to get. In fact, Style Theory channel has recently put out a video that's talking about all these scammers out there that are making Lafufus, which are fake Labubus. And considering most of them go for $27.99, I thought I'd check out an alternative that I found on Five Below, which are these Halloween plush monster clips, which are only $5 each. And in my opinion, they are just as rare, because this is like the email that I got when I bought them. And that's how I got them available. But now that if you go to Five Below's website, you cannot find them at all. Like, they sold out that quick. And they are just gone. I have no idea when they're going to get more. If they're going to get more at all. They're completely gone. Oh, let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. So, if you haven't noticed, there is these little purse accessories called Labubus. They're everywhere on social media. People make little outfits for them, which I do think is the cute aspect of them, but I do not think they are cute themselves. I think they're kind of ugly, and considering how they're sold out and often expensive, I don't see the point. So, when I saw these on Five Below, I figured I'd get them because I thought they were so much cuter. And look, oh my gosh, they are so much cuter! He's a little growly fish. And he has a clip, so I can put him on my purse. His name is Labubu. He is called a LaBabies. Which makes you wonder if they're related to the Labubus. These are so much cuter. So, and they're only $5, so if I accidentally lose one, I will not be mad. I also got one in black. Look at her little growly face. Her name is Dee Dee. There's little sassy britches, which I will definitely make clothes for this one because she's my favorite color. Ray Ray. And then this one, her little growly face, Fifi. Meet Fifi. This little enchantress loves to fly on moonbeams, dancing under the moon starlight, and sipping tea from her favorite cauldron mug. That's a little description of her. And Riri Mischievous little munchkin loves playing pranks, giving warm hugs, and snuggling up in a nice fiery blanket. Dee Dee, this tiny, toothy terror with a big taste for adventure. Dee Dee loves to sip on fruit smoothies, making new friends, and reading spooky stories. And Woo Woo, a little brown werewolf with a big howl. This pint-sized friend loves to explore the woods under the moonlight and chasing fireflies. You're so cute! So this is their Halloween collection. They had other little monsters out before. So, but they're only $5 each. So if I happen to accidentally lose one, put it in frame here. So if I happen to accidentally lose one, I will not be mad. These are super cool, Five Below. Thank you so much. Hashtag not sponsored. I did buy these myself. But then the fun part will be making little outfits for these out of scrap materials for my projects. Especially my sassy witches. My question is, do I cut off the little tags or I guess you should cut off the little tags, right? Because that's the only way I'm going to get clothes on them. Yeah, okay. This one has a minor imperfection. He has got like a receding hairline. So those are the LaBabies. I think they're way cuter than Labubus, and I'd rather wear these on my purses than the Labubus. I'm sorry, they're just like they're kind of ugly cute, but I do think that at the end of the day, Labubus are just ugly. I said what I said.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.